Welcome back to Dirt Decoded. Think back to last year's garden. Did you struggle with pests, diseases, or stunted plants? Most people blame summer, but the real problems start before you even plant a seed. The mistakes made in early spring ripple through the whole season. By the time you see yellow leaves or wilting stems, the damage is already done. Today, I'll reveal 7 subtle but critical early season mistakes that quietly sabotage your garden. Fix these now, and you'll set yourself up for a resilient, abundant harvest. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Working your soil when it's too wet. Eager to start, you grab a shovel, but wet soil compacts, destroying air pockets and suffocating soil life. Compacted soil blocks roots and encourages disease. Do the squeeze test. If soil forms a sticky ball, wait. It should crumble, not smear. One impatient day can ruin your whole season. Mistake 2. Adding raw manure or unfinished compost right before planting. It burns young roots and triggers a battle for nitrogen, starving your seedlings. Plants look pale and weak, not vigorous. Always use finished compost. Let raw manure break down away from your beds. Your garden needs stability, not chaos. Mistake 3. Starting seeds indoors too early. Oversized, root-bound seedlings get stressed and suffer transplant shock. A smaller, well-timed seedling will outgrow an early, stressed one. Earlier isn't better. Timing is everything. Start seeds just early enough for healthy, manageable transplants. Mistake 4. Ignoring drainage and airflow. Poor drainage suffocates roots and breeds disease. Stagnant air invites mildew. Amend heavy soil with compost. Build raised beds if needed, and space plants for airflow. Water is life, but stagnant water is death. Good drainage and airflow keep your garden healthy. Mistake 5. Leaving soil bare in early spring. Bare soil heats and cools rapidly, stressing microbes and eroding structure. Rain compacts it, wind blows it away. Cover with mulch to protect, insulate, and feed your soil. Healthy soil life needs protection to thrive. Mistake 6. Chasing quick fertilizer fixes instead of building soil life. Synthetic fertilizers give a short boost but create dependency and weak growth. Focus on feeding the soil with compost and organic matter. Healthy soil biology delivers nutrients when plants need them. Build the system, not just the symptoms. Mistake 7. Skipping planning for structure and spacing. Overcrowded plants compete and invite disease. Lack of supports leads to chaos. Plan your layout, spacing, and supports before planting. Rotate crops to prevent nutrient depletion and disease buildup. A simple plan now prevents a crisis later. There you have it. 7 early mistakes that decide your garden's fate. The real work happens before you see a single sprout. Prevent problems by building healthy soil, planning ahead, and respecting nature's timing. You're not just planting seeds, you're creating a living ecosystem. Thoughtful early action leads to a resilient, abundant garden. Like, share, and subscribe to Dirt Decoded for more soil science made simple. Thanks for watching. See you next time.